Duit YouTube, Constatatu. As you can see, I've finally been reunited with my camera. Thank you very much, Rob, and to your family for the generous hospitality they gave us after the horse riding. Let's see. Yes, I'm outside, in case you can't tell. Yes, it's pretty cold. I have a fleece of fucking everything on, and my hand is getting cold filming this, but anyway. I was out training yesterday with a friend of mine, and we ended up both doing something to our knees. He has an underlying condition, and I'm just being silly. I think I just have put it under too much strain, too much hiking, too much running, too much parkour, too much exercising. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I'm on my way to the doctor. See what he says. I'm betting he's not going to be able to do much. He might refer me to a physio, or I might inquire about a neuromuscular therapist, something my friend recommended. Other than that, we'll see what happens. So I'll stay tuned. I'll log on again when we get home, or when I get out. Well, Diego YouTube, just out of the doctor's. It was more interesting than I thought it would be. He seemed to know roughly what was wrong with me. It's a condition called Chondromalacia Patellae. Try saying that 5 times fast. So basically it's my quadriceps isn't properly aligned with my kneecap, my patella, and whenever I exercise it pulls on it in a slightly wrong way, which causes the pain. So he also mentioned it's a technical term for clicking. It'll come to me when I'm not thinking of. But basically, whenever he moved the kneecap, it kind of clicked a little, and not crunched, but just made that kind of it was like crunching noise and clicked a little. So I can't remember what he said it was called. So he recommended basically that I do some exercises to strengthen my ankles and knees. So didn't really tell me much I didn't already know, but at the same time it's good to get an official opinion on it. So I have lots of exercises at home and videos I can look at, and he gave me information as well. So apparently it's quite a common problem with runners. So that's me. So anyway, that's that. I'll try and make another video tomorrow probably. If I can train a little bit tomorrow, I will. Other than that, slán go fóill. Dig it, YouTube. Just thought I'd mention this. I'm just in the door, and I found my tickets for Strictly Come Dancing on the mat. So looking forward to that. That's next month. I don't know what I'll do with my next week's video. I was thinking of just doing a reorganizing, retidying, etc. of my room. So, as exciting as that sounds, I'm sure we can think of something else. So if you have any suggestions on what you'd like me to do, what you'd like to see, etc., just leave a comment in the box below. Agat, agat, slán go fóill.